If you complete 13 papers of ACCA, you become an ACCA affiliate. But if you do that along with the practical experience requirement, PER, you become an ACCA member. So PER is divided into three parts. First, you need 3 years of work experience, 36 months of work experience in the field of finance and accounts, and you can do this before, during, or after your ACCA. Second is performance objectives. There are basically 9 objectives that ACCA wants you to fulfill, which are on the lines of management, leadership, communication, as well as technical things such as taxation, audit, and accounting. Third and final is the ethics module, which you need to do irrespective of your work experience. Zell recommends that to complete PR smoothly, work in a CA firm. I worked in a CA firm, a mid-sized CA firm, where I learned, it was definitely a grind, but I learned everything on the ground when it came to the field of audit, accounts, tax, and advisory. I fulfilled all my obligations without a problem because my senior was a chartered accountant who could sign off on all these things. And before I started, I could ask him to make sure that every quarter I would get some leaves for my ACCA exam.